New supply chain movement. Let's see. My blog about supply chain gaming. Interesting. Here a report of our webinar about supply chain risk management with 3 vendors. Extensive article about the new role of AI agents. Winner and loser of the quarter, Katholm, under heavy fire. Cover interview with Karen Katholm, CSCO of AkzoNobel. She's talking about their changing operating model, also with the raising costs for chemicals, but also changing the network, working together, but also be more sustainable. Interesting supply chain roadmap created together with Blue Yonder. Management article about serious gaming, how Lego is being applied, etc. at Vestas and others, and especially worthwhile during transformations. Here's my analysis of the consultancy Europe overview map with a whole poster of it, with all the supply chain consultancies mapped. This is our article about startups. Together with Prequel Ventures, we did a lot, and also Oliver Wyman has been included in their survey on the startup market in Europe, leading to this overview with the maturity matrix of all startups and scale-ups in Europe. Here is the results of their survey. Another management article about sales and operation execution, how GDE Peets, but also Corbin are using, supply chain execution and also real-time transport visibility, how it's applied. A mind map about the food and beverage industry, created together with Ortec. And last but not least, an extensive article with Maria Pia de Caro. She's supply chain responsible for Pernod Ricard, and she's also one of the keynote speakers of our Innovate event on May 14 in Amsterdam. Great issue. Read it.